Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on drop-down menu in HTML by Simplilearn. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how you can create a drop-down in your navbars using just HTML and CSS. So, without further ado, let's get started. So we are on our Sublime text editor. I have the .html and .css file ready. So let's start by adding the standard boilerplate. Let's give it a title. Link your CSS file to the HTML file. Now inside the body, I'll add the ULs. We have added this hash so that when you click on this home button, it won't redirect you to anywhere. So just save the file and we'll go back to our page. So you can see we have this home here. Okay, so let's add some more. So just copy paste this. And we'll name this section about. Now inside this about, I'll require some submenus. So inside this, I'll open another UL tag. We'll add sections such as theme, clients, career, and legacy. And we'll close the li tag here. Okay, now you save the file and go back here and refresh. Now we'll add some more. So here we'll add the li for contact. Okay, so inside this contacts, I'll add the submenus. So UL, and I'll copy this code and I'll edit it here. Okay, so inside the contacts, I'll need email, phone, let's say Twitter, and this will be my LinkedIn. Okay, now we'll add some more sections. We'll name this services. And this one will be my news. Okay, so this looks fine. A little bit of alignment. Yeah. So you can see we have this home, about, contact, services, and news. And inside this we have the submenus. Okay, we have forgot to add here hash inside these strips. Just mention hash everywhere. Okay, save the file, go back and refresh. Okay, so you can see we have this HTML ready. Now let's go back to the CSS and design these drop downs. So first, inside our HTML, we'll select the body tag. We'll add one background image, so just the background looks more attractive. So I have one image file saved, so I'll JPG. So save, go back and refresh. Yeah, you can see we have this black thing. We'll shrink this image. So we'll keep the background size to cover, and we'll keep the font family to Arial. Yeah, okay. So for the UL tag, we'll keep the margin to 0. We'll keep the padding to 0 as well, and we'll set the list style to none. Okay, now we'll design the UL li part. So we'll keep the float to left. Width will set to 200 pixels. We'll set the height to say 40 pixels. We'll keep the background color to something darker, say dark blue. Keep it dark gray. Okay. Keep the opacity to 0.9. Line height 40 pixels. Keep the text aligned to center and font size to 20 pixels. Save the file, go back and refresh. Okay, you see we have the background image in the place, we have this snap bar in the place, and all the drop downs are here. Okay. Now it's time to design UL, li and a. So for this we'll keep the text decoration to none. Color let's keep white, and we'll set the display to block. Save the file and go back. Now we'll add the hover effects for this drop downs. Okay. So UL li a.hover. We'll keep the background color for the hover to say any color you can select. Let's select light salmon. Save. Let's see how it looks on the page. Refresh. Yeah, it's look good. Now the final part of this requires this to shrink inside. Just when you hover over this, so the drop downs will appear. Okay. So we'll set this UL li to display none. And we'll add the hover effect over li. So that when we hover, the drop down appears. Save, go back and refresh. Now you can see all the drop downs are inside this. When you hover over it, the drop downs appear. Okay, so this is all about the drop downs menu in HTML. As you saw that we can create the beautiful drop downs just by using the HTML and CSS. Nothing fancy. So I hope you liked this video. If yes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Happy learning!
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.